On the previous episode, I constructed my gate and put up deer fencing. Now that my yard is protected from the deer, it's time to pick out the seeds for my garden. Now let's head inside. Bring over to my desk and you can have a look. So here's all my seeds. I have a buttload of seeds, as you can see. And a bunch of these I've actually collected myself. Like this is a hominy melon, which is a Asian kind of cantaloupe. It's more crunchy than normal cantaloupe. It tastes a bit different. It tastes really good. It's excellent in smoothies. So I'll make another video going over how to dry these things. Like here's another one, is golden melon. This is delicious. And I got kabuka squash. This is just cantaloupe. And if you're wondering why I have a fishing tackle box, no, I don't fish. This is actually my seed collection. This is kind of like my pride and joy. As you can see, I have some rare stuff in here. I've got white Okanagan peach, black custard apple, black cherimoya. This is pretty rare, at least for where I live. I mean, even just getting these in general is not easy. I got dinosaur plum, lemon cucumber. This is a pineapple quince and rambutan. So anyways, it's multi-layered. I have a bunch of stuff. There's more and more seeds all over the place. And some of these are actually Chinese vegetables, like yu choy-sum, which I will be growing this year. So if you want to see some Chinese vegetables, I'll be growing those in my garden this year. And there's also more over here, which are from my neighbor. So she's letting me go through and see if there's anything here I want. And here's everything with all the labels I have. So this covers most of them, not all of them, but what I've done here is use popsicle sticks, and I've used this pencil. So this is a wax pencil. I believe it's a wax pencil, and I've tested out numerous ones, and I have a whole art kit from when I used to be an artist. So this pencil won't wash off with water on it, and so it's perfect to use popsicle sticks. You just stick them in the soil. And it'll take a long time for this to actually wash off, and once it does, you can just, rewrite on it or put a new stick in there. But if you want to get these sticks, I'll leave a link in the description below. And before we head outside, I'll show you the ones I have sprouting or going to be sprouted. So here I have some that will be sprouted before they go outside. All these other ones over here are going to go straight. I'm just going to direct sow them in the soil. Doing all of those would be a lot of work, and I don't have enough greenhouse space to do that, so I'm basically going to do like these tiny tomato. I've got heirloom tomato, bell pepper, jalapeno, golden berry, and then more tomatoes, and then here's a Chinese cucumber. And I'm going to try sprouting one of these Okanagan nectarines. And I also have a few right now that are already started. So on my table here, I have aronia, which is a kind of dark purplish berry that grows kind of on a tree. And I've got spinach, carrots, amaranth, and shiso. So carrots you can direct sow. I have 5 different types, so I'm going to try sprouting some of them and see what the difference is. But and I think you can direct sow amaranth, but I mean, it just speeds up the growth. So some of the things I really want to try out, like amaranth. Be sure to tune in to the next episode where I prepare my garden beds and direct sow most of my seeds. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, and until next one, have a great day.